your neck muscles. So have your hands on your hips, bend your knees, and jump about 3 feet. Your toes are facing forward, body straight. Now turn your right foot 90 degree and left foot 10 to 15 degree in. And your body is facing forward. Okay. Bring your hands parallel to the floor. Now bend your right knee. Just the right knee. Do not slide your body like this. Okay. Come to the center, everybody. We'll do some dynamic movement. Bend your right knee and straighten. Bend your right knee and straighten. If your knee is crossing your toes, move your back leg little bit. Each day, little bit, then you will increase your flexibility. Breathe in, breathing out, bend your right knee and straighten. Breathing out, bend your right knee. This time, look at your right palm. Both of the hands at the shoulder level. Left hand, I see everybody's left hand is little low. Yeah. And smile. Strong warrior. And slide your body towards the right side. And bring it back to the left. Right hand up above the ear, left hand behind the back. And look at your right palm. Reverse warrior. Right leg is still lunging. Now bring your right hand onto your right leg. Left hand above the ear. Side angle triangle. And look at your left palm. Left leg is completely on the floor. Push it into the floor. Straighten the knee. And gently come back to warrior two. Straighten your right leg. And imagine there is a wall on the right side and push the wall. Slide your body. And drop your right hand onto the right leg. Left hand up. Triangle pose. No need to bend forward if your body is bending towards the right front. Your body has to be straight. You can bring your hand, right hand little up and stretch the left hand up. Your posture alignment is more important than touching the floor. And look at your left palm. Now we'll add a variation here. Bring your left hand onto the right ankle and right hand up. Reverse triangle. Look towards the ceiling. Gently bring your right hand down and come to warrior. Bring your hands up. Turn your right foot forward, left foot 90 degree. Reverse direction. Now let's do the warrior two dynamic movement. Bend, breathing out, bend your left knee. Vinita, can you make sure your knee is not going in like this? Your knee and the toe in one direction. Okay? Just have that awareness because it's not good for knee joints if your knee is turning in or out. It should always point in the direction of toes. So let me observe. Breathe in, straighten your leg. Breathe out, bend your knee. Good. You can increase, Vinita, you can increase the distance between your legs. Yes. And breathe in, come back, straighten your leg. Breathing out, bend your knee. Keep doing it. Now bend your knee and look at your left palm. And let's slide your body towards the left side and bring yourself in the reverse warrior. Right hand behind the back, left hand above the ear. Look at your palm. Bring your left hand onto the left thigh, right hand above the ear, side angle triangle. Look at your right palm now. Breathing in, gently come back, straighten your leg, And let's do the triangle. Slide your body to the right like you're pushing, sorry, to the left like you're pushing the wall. And then from here, you just drop your hand wherever it goes and bring your right hand up. Look at the right palm. Bring your right hand to the left ankle and left hand up. Here also, if you're not able to do it, you can use the blocks. Blocks is a very good support for the beginners, but you should not just keep using the blocks. You should increase your flexibility. And there are many heights in the blocks that will help you. But it really helps in fixing your alignment. And gently come up, bring your hands up, turn your left foot forward, bring your hands on the hips, bring your hands behind. Interlock your fingers, pull your shoulders back and down. Breathe in, bring your head up. Breathing out, bend forward. Pull your navel in. Look forward. Just go halfway in the beginning. Keep looking forward and see if you can increase the distance between your legs. Move your legs a little bit outwards. And when you cannot bend anymore, drop your head towards the floor. Here also you can keep the block to support your head if your head is not touching the floor. Gently and slowly bring your hands to the hips, shorten the distance between your legs and very, very slowly come up. So we did all the warrior poses. Let me explain warrior one. So come to the top of your mat and bring your left leg back. Okay, about like 2.5 to 3 feet. And your left foot is 45-degree angle. Okay, your both of the hips are facing forward. Now breathe in, breathing out, bend your right leg. Again, the knee and the ankle is perpendicular. Breathe in, come back. Breathing out, bend your right knee. Again, come back. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, come back. Now we will do with the hands. Breathing in, bring your hands up. Breathing out, bend your right leg. Join your palms together and bring your head back and look at your palms. Back leg is straight and strong. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently bring your hands down. And now straighten your right leg. We'll do a variation here. Bring the back leg little bit forward. Shorten the distance. Breathe in, bring your hands up. Both of the legs are straight. Breathing out, bend forward, look forward. And then pull your navel in, drop your hands to the floor. Again, you can use the blocks. If you cannot touch the floor, you can touch your ankle, your shin. If you don't have the block, then you take support of your body. And then drop your head towards the knee. It's a very good stretch for your thighs, your hamstrings, behind the knees. And gently and slowly come up. Bring your hands up and relax your hands. Bring your left leg forward and right leg back. Let's do the other side. Right leg is 45-degree angle. Distance is about 3 feet. Now breathe in, breathing out, bend your left knee. Breathe in, straighten. Breathe out, bend. Breathe in, straighten. Breathe out, bend. Breathe in, straighten. Now let's bring our hands up. Breathe in, breathing out. Bend your left knee. Join your palms together. Look at your palms. Drop your head little back. Straighten your elbows. If you cannot, interlock your fingers and straighten. Back leg is strong and straight. Breathing in, bring your hands back, straighten your front leg. Now we'll do, it's called a pyramid pose. Now bring your hands up, breathing out, bend forward. From your hips, pull your navel in, look forward. And drop your hands towards the mat, wherever it goes. Drop your head towards the knee. See if you can bring your nose closer to the knee. Keep pulling your